Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2017 Infiniti Q50 Premium Plus all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This is the off-lease vehicle we acquired directly from Infiniti Financial Services. One of the benefits of being a new Infiniti retailer is that we have access to a nationwide network of off-lease vehicles at Infiniti stores, and we can bid on them before they go to auction, where it's a free-for-all where anyone can get their hands on them. So I try to cherry pick the nicest ones I can find. I look for specific color combination and option packages. I've been with Infiniti about 15 years, so I'm very familiar with these vehicles. And this one is an excellent one to consider if you're in the market for a Q50. It has a Premium Plus package. 2017 is a great year because they made a number of revisions over the years. 2016 it got a brand new twin turbo engine, and they also made some improvements on the interior for 2017. So going to the features, we have a drive mode selector here. That makes changes to transmission shift points, traction stability control settings, steering, throttle sensitivity. And then you'll notice we have a dual display system. The Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a dual display system like this. The top screen mainly is for navigation, functionality, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. We have a heated steering wheel, heated seats. Also have a drive mode selector. Here you can personalize things, and the drive mode selector on the screen kind of does the same thing as that this selector does, but it allows you to personalize it, so you can kind of tailor things to your liking. So maybe you want the transmission setting in a specific way, then you might want the steering settings in a specific way. We also have active trace control. The way that works is it will actually brake individual wheels, so the vehicle rotates a little bit better through the corners. You can shut that on or off. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. If you like music, this has a Bose Performance Series audio system. It's like having a home theater system right in your vehicle. Moonroof package, power front seats, illuminated kick plates. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why it's intelligent is because when all-wheel drive is not needed, it will send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. Why does Infiniti do that? Well, if the all-wheel drive system's constantly working all the time, even though when all-wheel drive is not needed, it's going to chew through your tires faster. That's going to reduce gas mileage. But also, this is a performance sedan, so by having that rear-wheel drive bias, it gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. But this Q50 has a brain that's constantly monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels for amazing wet weather performance like the roads are now. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but you'll find most of the Infinitis in our inventory, either new or used, will have all-wheel drive because most people want all-wheel drive out here. And all-wheel drive will greatly improve your wet weather performance. With 300 horsepower, just a rear-wheel drive version can get quickly overwhelmed in wet conditions like this. Their wheels are going to want to spin. The traction control system's going to kick in and reduce power to the wheels, and that's going to reduce your performance. But with intelligent all-wheel drive, this thing just grips and goes. And of course, if you do drive in the snow, you're definitely going to do better with all-wheel drive versus rear-wheel drive. Beautiful color combination, one of my favorite colors, Hagane blue. Hagane means steel in Japanese, so it's a steel blue. Goes really nice with that graphite interior. And this one also has the all-weather package, so you have all-season mats, cargo area protector, and then you can still see we have the trunk mat and the floor mats still in the original packaging. This is a cargo net still in the original packaging as well. First aid kit. Dual exhaust system for an aggressive stance. The Q50 is also built on a sports car platform. Some of the best performing Infiniti products over the last 20 years were built on this advanced front midship platform, like the G35, G37. Also, the Nissan 370Z and 350Z were also built on the advanced front midship platform. The reason why they call it that is they place the engine as far back as possible behind the front axle. So that moves the center of gravity towards the middle of the vehicle, so that improves the handling and feel through the corners. Adaptive xenon lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. Then we have LED daytime running lights. The VR30 twin turbo engine is a new engine on the Q50 for 2016. It makes 300 horsepower, features direct injection. Direct injection sends highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally that lowers emissions, improves horsepower, and improves fuel efficiency. So this engine is smoother than the 3.7 it replaces. It offers a little bit more low-end power, and it's also more fuel efficient than the VQ37 it replaces. This Q50 is backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. We want to make sure that you're happy with the vehicle you purchased from us, be it new or pre-owned. That's why we have that 5-day money-back guarantee. No gimmicks, no restocking fees. It is 100% money back. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.